Hello everyone, my name is Jessica and welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs. If you're already a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. Also make sure you hit the video like button and leave me a comment below. As always, you can check the description box for a list of the items I used. And let's get started. This first project is a dupe for the Succulent Trio and Wood box from Hobby Lobby, which was $39.99. For this first project, I'm going to be taking a piece of foam board, and I did cut that into 5 pieces, and I'm going to show you the measurements here of each piece I cut. I couldn't find my ruler at the time when I made this video, so I'm just going to be using this paint stir stick as the measurer, and this stick is 12 inches in length. Once all my pieces are cut, I'm going to use my hot glue gun on a low temperature setting to build my rectangle shaped box. So first I'll glue the 2 longer sides onto the bottom and then the 2 shorter sides. Once my box is complete, I'm going to take the Waverly Antique Wax, and using a baby wipe, I'm going to go ahead and apply 1 layer all the way around the box. Once it's semi-dry, I'm going to take a second layer and apply that on the box. With the second layer, you don't have to do straight lines. You can use some circular motions, as you'll see me do, and it kind of helps give a more realistic wood look. I did go ahead and paint the inside of the box, but didn't paint the bottom since you won't be seeing that. And then I'm just going to take a couple extra pieces of foam board and place at the bottom to help raise the glass vases up. And I'm going to use 3 of these square vases from Dollar Tree, and they should fit nice, all 3 side by side. Next, I'm going to be taking these stones and placing them inside the glass vases, and I'm just going to add a couple succulents to each one, and then this will be the completed first project. The second project is a dupe for this heart bead wood decor from Hobby Lobby, which was $11.99. I'm going to start by taking this rectangle canvas and removing the canvas from the wood base. Once the canvas is removed, I'm going to remove this centerpiece, leaving just the open rectangle. And then I'm going to take the apple barrel paint in the color Territorial Beige and paint the frame. Next, I'm going to take this Decor box, and on this particular box there was a wooden heart, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and sand that down and then paint that in the Territorial Beige color. Now, taking one of the thicker barbecue skewers, I'm going to cut that to fit on the inside of the frame. Once that's cut, I'm going to place the heart in the middle, and then I will cut off both sides. That way the heart will fit in the center. Once that's done, I'm going to paint these 2 skewers in the Territorial Beige color as well. Now I'm going to take 3 of these ponytails with the plastic beads and paint them in pewter gray. That'll give me 6 plastic beads in total. Taking my hot glue, I'm going to glue 1 of the skewers onto the side of the heart, and then taking 3 of the plastic beads, I'm going to glue 3 on the first side of the wooden skewer. To Today's video question is, what is your favorite store to get inspiration from? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Once I have the first side complete, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the second side of the heart. Now taking my hot glue, I'm going to glue the bottom of one side of the dowel to the inside of the frame, and I'm going to repeat that on both sides. Once I have it glued, I didn't record this part, but I went ahead and went over the entire project using the antique wax. And this is the completed second project. For these next two projects, I'm going to be using 2 canvases, and I'm going to remove the canvas from the wood frame. And the 2 canvases that I'm using are actually 2 different sizes. Next, I'm going to paint the frames in the Territorial Beige, and once that's dry, I'm going to go over it with the antique wax. Next, I'm going to take a piece of foam board that will fit the back of the frame, and I'm going to repeat this for both frames. Then taking a wood paint stick, I'm going to use just my flathead screwdriver and make marks, as you can see me doing here, across the entire foam board, and that'll give the look of wood planks. And this is what it will look like once you have the lines on the foam board. And then I'm going to take the antique wax and I'm going to put it in each of the lines I made just a little bit thicker. And then once I have all the lines covered in the antique wax, I'll go over and apply it to the full board. And this will actually make the inner part look a little darker and make it look more realistic. And this is what it will look like once you have it fully painted. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just glue the back of the foam board onto the back of the frame. And again, I'm going to repeat this for both frames. And this is what it will look like once you have the back glued on. Next, I'm going to take a total of 4 of these mini succulents and I'm going to paint the base in the pewter gray. Once I have them painted, I'm going to glue 2 to each of the frames. And here's the completed last 2 projects. These aren't Hobby Lobby dupes, but I do think that they look good with the first 2 projects from this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. As always, you can leave me a comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, hope everyone has a great day.